Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to restart your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. So in order to do that, you'll just have to press the Start button right here, then select the Power button and select Restart. Microsoft might also want you to update and restart your PC. This way it will take a little longer, but generally it will do the same thing. So as you can see, the laptop is restarting, and that means that it's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.